Today is Sunday, and that means typically here in the UK it's time for a good old roast dinner. And I'm going to be cooking just a simple cut. It's top side of beef. This one weighs in at just under 700 grams, and that will serve between 3 to 4 people. With any roast meat there's always that element of, am I going to undercook it, am I going to overcook it, or will I get it just right? Well, not today, because I'm going to be cooking it sous vide, giving us perfect juicy results time after time. And of course I know there'll be plenty of you Thermomix TM6 fans watching this video, and this will absolutely sous vide in your TM6 perfectly well. But today I'll be using my Thermi for other elements of my Sunday lunch. So that means I'll be sous vide my beef in the Burton sous vide. We'll be cooking this for 2 hours at 55°C. We'll then take it out of the bag and finish it off for 10 minutes in a screaming hot oven. So what we're waiting for, as I say, let's go and get prepped. Right, let's just season our beef. No heroics here. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm using these Blackthorn salt flakes. You can use whatever salt you wish, so don't be shy with the salt. You know me. Lots of black pepper, and I mean lots of black pepper. Beef loves black pepper. And on with our beef. Now let's just mop all that salt and pepper up, pressing in firmly. And that is pretty much it. It's time to get it in that bag. Today I'm going to be using my trusty vac sealer, but if you don't want to use these type of bags, you can use them old pump bags that I've showed you with the Thermomix TM6. It's entirely up to you, depending on your preference. Let's get our beef in the bag, right to the back. Let's get it sealed up. Cook at 55°C for 2 hours. Okay, while we wait patiently for our beef to cook, it's got maybe a couple of tablespoons each of fresh thyme and rosemary. You can use dried if you like, but if you want to skip this part, it's entirely up to you. So chop these, just being careful not to over chop, or all the flavour will go into the board, not into your lovely beef. Okay, we'll just pop this into a bowl now and wait for our beef to finish. Remove your beef from the bag, discarding any juices. Grab yourself a few kitchen towels and pat your beef dry. Next, get yourself a few tablespoons of vegetable oil, sunflower oil or olive oil, and liberally coat your beef. This will do two things. It will stop the beef from burning when we pop it in the oven, and also it will help our herbs to stick. Next, grab those herbs which we chopped earlier and press down firmly and coat that beef joint well. Now I know you might be thinking this beef does not look very appetizing, but trust me, we've got an easy finish for this. Once you've mopped up those beautiful herbs, place the beef in an oven-proof dish. Next, place in a preheated oven to 250°C or 480°F. Cook for 10 minutes until nicely browned. Rest your beef in foil for 10 minutes and then carve. Just look at this. Lovely pink and blushing. Thanks so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed today's video. What would you like to see me cook next? Drop a comment below. If you haven't already subscribed, do consider hitting that subscribe button. But for now, take care, keep safe. See you later.